Hi, my name is Dimitri Malsam. In this video you will learn how to generate a distorted signal for stress testing MOST150 devices. Why do we need this kind of stress test? Well, because with higher speeds most devices become more sensitive to jitter. As test setup we have the 81160A pulse function generator and a 9000 series oscilloscope for signal analysis. In the first step I will load the MOST stress pattern from my USB drive. I'll go to the pulse mode of the generator, activate the pattern setup, source as source we select internal, pattern selected from the USB drive, yes, and we go back into the channel menu to adjust the frequency to 150 MHz and adjust the amplitude to 1.4 volts of high level and 1 volt of low level, and we press output on, and here we see the clear MOST150 stress pattern as it comes out of the 81160A. To make changes better visible, the color grade scheme is very helpful. For that we select Setup, Display, and click Color Grade. And now you see the clean eye of the MOST150 signal. To the clean eye I will now add some jitter. For that I will activate the modulation functionality. I select the modulation time of phase modulation. I leave the source at internal. The phase deviation is set to 10 in this example. The modulation frequency 1 kHz and the shape is a sine again. Let's see how it looks on the oscilloscope. So now you can clearly see the now jittered signal. To increase or decrease the jitter you can simply turn the knob and watch the jitter rising. This happens glitch free, so it means your device does not need to resynchronize to the new jittered signal. To close the eye vertically, we will now generate some amplitude noise on channel 2 and add it to the first channel with the internal channel add functionality. First we select the crest factor going from 3.1 to 7. We select 7. We select the amplitude of 100 millivolts and we leave the offset and impedance as it is. To add this noise to channel 1, we go to channel 1, we press utility, select output setup, channel add channels, and now you can see how the noise is added to the signal. For increasing decreasing noise we can do the same as with phase modulation. Simply turning the knob will increase the noise level of the signal, closing the eye vertically. In summary, you now know how to stress a MOST150 receiver with an 81160A pulse function generator and a 9000 series Agilent oscilloscope.